Ooh, that looks so pretty when you mix it. It's like a glowy mixture. Look at that. Ooh. Kind of makes me want to rub this dirt all over my face. It looks beautiful. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elaina. I'm a Russian American beauty and makeup addict. I love reviewing and testing out oftentimes inexpensive AliExpress, drugstore, dollar store beauty items for you guys, and I'll pass on the savings to you. In this video, I'm going to be doing a science test. It's pretty much cooking with Elaina show. So we're going to be doing our own highlight mixture out of all the highlights I hate. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and ring notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let's get right into this madness project. Welcome to my kitchen. In this kitchen, we're going to be cooking something very unedible. Well, here's the deal. This has been done, and I've seen some videos. I think Daddy Westbrook done it and some other people. But I was really curious to mix all my highlights. But here's the deal. This is the little twist. Most people mix highlighters that I have. I want to mix highlighters that I hate. Well, maybe not hate, but dislike for one reason or another. So I have the whole tub. That's a lot. So we're going to be going one by one real quick. I'm going to mention what they are and why I don't like them. And then we're going to get into the bowl and start mixing. So first of all, my favorite palette, Makeup Revolution Pro Supreme Highlighter Ice. And this is a nice palette except for this blue. So this is the color, I mean, it's crazy, it's blue. So this is gonna go. Then I've got this, I bought it on sale in Walmart. Physician's Formula Mineral Glow Pearls. It doesn't do anything, like seriously, it doesn't do anything at all. So I'm gonna scratch some of these off and add. Then we got this dollar store LA color highlight, which actually I like, but being a dollar store highlight, it is blending, but it's still a little grainy and it's kind of powdery. I don't know, I just thought I would add this to the mix. It's cheap and it's like eh. And now we got Morphe. Sorry Morphe, but you're too dark for me. Honestly, I don't remember where I got this from. It's clearly too dark. It's in the color Spark, High Impact, Highlighter, and Illuminator. It gives me dark cast, so this is going. Then we got Beauty Benefits from 99-cent store. Again, not a bad highlighter, just a little bit powdery. It kind of emphasizes texture, so this is going. Again, another not a bad highlighter. The color is a little too white. And this is Wet n Wild. This is special edition for Halloween. It has a little skull on it. So I don't know if you can see it, but it's kind of too cool. So it gives you like a little weird gray cast. So this is going. And now we got a real dud. This is e.l.f. I love e.l.f. But this highlighter is hard as a rock. It's hard to scratch it off, and this is white gold. So this is it. So this is going. Another e.l.f. dud. I had this for a long time. I don't remember when I got it, but this is complete crap. Excuse me, complete crap. And this is shimmer highlighting powder. There's literally no payoff in this, so this is gonna go. I have a feeling my mixture is gonna be really, really shitty. So now got another Ross Dress for Less thing. I still have a tag on it, very classic. So blush highlight palette by Daisy Fuentes. I got it for $3.99. It's okay. I keep reaching for it and I keep on dumping it because it's really It's not that good. I mean, there is a cast. All of them give me some kind of weird cast. So I'm gonna scrape off most of them except for the blush probably. And then we got kind of a good product, but I think it's a little too dark and it gives me a cast. So this is Physicians Formula Butter Highlight, and it's kind of creamy. It's called champagne, but it's gold, but it gives me a little cast. I'm not that light, but it doesn't work. And now we got the last two from palettes I love. This is a NYX Highlight and Contour palette. I love it. And this is Revolution Pro Powder Contour. The same thing, love both. And I use them like every time. But the highlight here is barely visible. This is the highlight shade. It's not that good at all. And same thing with Makeup Revolution. Highlight is actually better, I think, here, but it's kind of bluish, silver, and it's like So this is going. So now we're going to start scraping off into the bowl. I got my bowl and got my spatula. So let's twist this camera down and we're going to start mixing. Alright guys and girls, so let's get to a science project. I'm extremely interested. So here's a Becca powder container. I'm gonna use this to pour the mixture then. So let's start with half, with a really crappy one. This is so satisfying in a weird way. Look at all that. Then Physicians Formula. This one has least payoff, so I don't want to put too much of it because I think it's mostly like powder. Oops. Here's our mixing brush. Alright. So now we got a butter bronzer. Highlight. Physicians Formula is a good one. It's kind of very creamy and very buttery. It's very nice texture, but it's too dark. Here I'm hitting the pan. I'm completely destroying this highlighter. I have a feeling I'm gonna be dropping everything. And a real dot, the e.l.f. highlighting powder. That's so bad. There it goes. The mixture is looking weirdly dark, and I hope it's not gonna be real dark when I finish mixing. I'm kind of trying to mix even amount of everything. I'm really destroying my makeup. So here's the Wet n Wild limited edition. It's called Caught in Your Web. So that was clearly Halloween. Ooh, this is white. Look at the difference. So that's gonna give it lightness. Let me go ham on this. So there goes Morphe, and literally way too dark. Beauty Benefits by Beauty Benefits, a 99-cent store. And another dollar store. This one again isn't bad, but it shows texture, kind of gives your face some texture. Now we're going for Revolution Pro, and we're going for the blue one because these I hit the pan on. These are great, but the blue one, ooh, looks so pretty. The purple. Let's go for this palette from Ross that I got. And we're gonna go with the light tones. The other one's a bronzer, too dark. The sensation of this dropping into the bowl and scraping it is so satisfying. I'm having a bowl right now. And we got the last two. Revolution. I kind of don't want to destroy it. I'll go gentle. Oh my god. Look at what I've done. And we got NYX, the last highlighter. It has very little payoff. Okay. So now let's mix this. So now we're going to pour rubbing alcohol in it and then pour the mixture into this container. So let me open it up, ready to go. And here's our rubbing alcohol. I'm gonna try not to dump all of it in there. Alright, so. Ooh, that looks so pretty when you mix it. It's like a glowy mixture, look at that. Ooh. Kind of makes me want to rub this dirt all over my face. It looks beautiful. Look at this dirt pile. This is extremely satisfying. If you guys don't know, I used to be a hairstylist. I still have license in Florida. And mixing color and creating color, that was my specialty. I did a lot of colorful looks on my clients. And this is the same principle, mixing and creating something beautiful. So hopefully something beautiful. So I think this is good enough. We're going to try to dump it. Okay, so I took a little break to use spoon to spoon this out. And I added a little more rubbing alcohol. That's 70%. Almost lost it. Oh, there it goes. And I have highlight all over my fingers already. So I add a little more liquid in there. Make sure it's completely mixed. It's probably going to take a while to dry. So hopefully it's going to be dry by tomorrow so I can film the rest of this tomorrow. Because I can't wait to put this on my face. It looks gorgeous. I think the mixture is supposed to be not as wet that I've seen in other people's videos because it's supposed to be patting it and flatten out. Actually flattens out itself, look at that. It flattened out. So I'm just gonna leave it as is. So this is it, that's our mixture. And we're going to leave this, hopefully 24 hours is enough. And by tomorrow we gotta have our own beautiful highlight. And I hope it's not a dud. But if it's a dud, what the heck, I had fun. So I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys. So day 2, I'm back. New day, new makeup. If you're wondering, I'm wearing Teddy Beauty with the glitter. Love that. So here's the results. And I'm gonna tell you something, girl, don't put so much alcohol in there. I put so much alcohol, it's still kind of slightly, well, it's not wet, but it's like it leaves a little imprints. It looks really pretty. See that? But it takes forever to dry, so be sparing if you want to do this experiment. So let's dig in, because science. So I'll start with a large brush. I have no highlight in my face, just a little bit of Skin Finish by Makeup Revolution. You zoom in a little bit. So let's dig in. I think I should have let it dry a little longer, but I'm impatient, so. It's a little crumbly now. I think after it dries completely, probably gonna be better, but I wanna try. So let's see. Ooh, girl. Look at that. Worked. Wow, this is a glass. Like a glass surface. This highlight is crazy. I can't believe it came out of my least favorite highlights. All the highlighters that I either hate or intensely dislike. Oh my god, look at that. can zoom in. Yes. This is real good. Might become one of my favorite highlighters. All on the chin, all on my forehead. I like to use small brush for my nose and to emphasize anything I want to be brighter. So I'll just take a little brush like this, and I'm gonna go for the bridge of the nose in the middle. It's working. And if I want to add a little extra on my cheeks, I'm gonna go with a little extra. This is literally like a glass reflection, almost too much. In my world, there is no such thing as too much. But it can emphasize the texture if you have fine lines, which I do. But I kind of don't care at the moment because I want highlight. Is it too much to ask? I just want highlight. I think this is officially a successful experiment. It's probably gonna dry a little better, like in a couple of days, and become even more amazing. Oh, I really love this. If you're into extra bright highlights, something happens when you mix it with alcohol, I don't know. But this became an amazing highlight. Let's put some more spray just to warm it up. I'm using Iconic London, and this came in a boxy jar. Has a little specks of glitter in them, just a little shine. Don't you love work? Everybody loves work. So let's assess the situation. So if you're not into extreme glassy shine, you're not gonna like this kind of experiment, but this created literally like a glass surface. It's like a mirrored surface here. It's crazy. It's just absolutely crazy. I keep on adding some more. And just blend it out. Wanna probably blend out. So if you guys want to try it out, go ahead, because I think I'm like living for this. This is like the most amazing highlight I own right now, made out of the crappiest highlighters I have. So that's going to be it for this video. So if you enjoyed this craziness and this scientific experiment, I created a pretty good amount in an old Becca container. So this is gonna last me for a while. And I'm gonna use this in every video. So like this video if you enjoyed this, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, I'll appreciate the support. Thank you for watching this video and being a subscriber. Ring the notification bell to know when I upload. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. And leave me a comment below. Have you tried this? Do you like this type of highlight? It's not for everyone, for sure, but for extra people like this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!